All right, phone wiring. Just disconnected these wires from the backboard. The orange and violet leads were just tied down to the bottom. Just tied down to the bottom too here. And the green goes to violet green. And so the rest of the leads we have, there's a black wire going to RR. Just gotta get this stupid screw off. Then looks like a bunch of wires are tied down to this one, which is C. So got an orange black from the dial, as well as a green white. And I'm gonna go ahead and screw that back down. Then this one is G, which has a red wire going to the handset and a red wire going to the dial. Blue on B terminal. There's also a black wire on that B terminal going to the handset. And red, green going to R over here. And white, green going to L1. And the dial's out.